Okay, we're in this stream here. This tour guide just told us that the salmon will start running in here.
Yep.
Look at this tree. Look at the size of this tree. Oh, huge. All right. Look at the size of these trees here. One tree could build like 10 houses. That's how huge they are. All right. This is a good workout too.
Yeah.
Having to climb these hills.
Yep.
Now look at these two twin trees parked right next to each other. My goodness. Look at how amazing. I mean, absolutely huge these trees are.
You should see the tree ahead of us.
Wow. Look at this one. This one's fall down.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch glasses.
Yeah. Yeah, this one.
It's so green. It don't look green with the right on a tree.
Here's one that fell. Look at these trees. Magnificent. Oh, look at this one. It fell. Wow. A couple of them fell on top of each other. Look at this one here, baby.
That's cool.
All right, to the next.